And now you can hear some of the audience track coming from the rear speakers. So we got this in surround sound.
So this is the way the film started out. The dyes on the film have degraded over the years. And when that happens, it gets this very pink and red look. And we're missing a lot of the normal looking whites and greens and other colors that we want. So we work to bring the color back. They're wearing pink shirts of all things, so there's plenty of pink for their shirts. But we have to have the camper behind him be white and the color of the mandolins be red. And that's what we're working to get out of the pictures right now. But yeah, we have to come quite a distance from where it started.
And that happens with any old piece of film, color film, right?
Yep. If you have film, it's a good idea to get it corrected and transferred off now, because those dye layers will just get worse over the years.